My name's Dan. I plan to transfer to SIU after Waubonsee.
My name's Anna Barr. I'm hoping to transfer to Southern Illinois University.
So I'm Javier Galvez. I'm going to transfer to SIU after this year.
My name is Brian Gates. After here, I plan on going to SIU.
I plan to get a job kind of like my brother, not working with my hands every day because it gives you wear and tear. He went through this program as well, went to both Waubonsee and SIU.
After SIU, I'm hoping to be a teacher eventually in the automotive field, and I'd be working in the field for a while before I could be a teacher.
I know a lot of people have gotten a lot of jobs, with like big corporations or like the companies as in like Chrysler and Ford and Dodge and stuff like that. So I'd be cool and open to doing something like that.
After I graduate, I plan to start as an automotive tech and then work my way up into the insurance side of the automotive repair.
Really, it's just been in my family ever since I was a little kid, so however far back I can remember, I've always been working with my hands on cars.